Hi there, Lee Farnell here from Everyday Empowerment Institute. Now, the question is this: how do you get up the ladder of business evolution? How do you get up that ladder faster and safer? And how do you minimize the risk of falling through the cracks? Well, first of all, we know you could be here at startup level, you could be at survival level, you could be a solo entrepreneur, you could be a family business, and each level of the ladder has a different set of problems you need to overcome. Now, where are we heading? Well, you at least want to be at survival. You at least want to be at making money and making a good living, at least. But where you really want to be is this position up here we call complete power change leverage, where you're in a position to exit or hand over the business and cash out or go public. Public's probably before the exit point. We've got clients who are just done that public. So the point is, we have helped businesses at every level of the ladder of business acceleration. But I want to share with you an idea that is so important, and it's going to show some very bad drawings. Let me do a drawing for you. Okay, let me see if I can get this right. It's going to be kind of, see if you can recognize what I'm trying to draw here. Okay, it's not that good a picture. I've been better at horses in the past. This is a horse. This is a horse. And let's go to the next level. The horse has reins because on the horse is what? We put a helmet on to be safe. It's going to go fast. Is the jockey. This is the jockey. Now, there are two factors in the success of your business. There's the horse, which is your business, and there's you, the jockey. So think about it. It's the Melbourne Cup. How are you going to win it? Well, you need a good horse, you need a very good horse, and you need a very good jockey. What if you had an average horse and a great jockey? What if you had a great horse and an average jockey? Even worse, if you had a great horse or an average horse and an average jockey. So the question for you is, how powerful is your horse? How good a racehorse is your horse? How do you know that your business and your strategy and your business model is a good horse? Then, how good a jockey are you? What skills do you have to ride that horse fast for it to win the Melbourne Cup, to realise its full potential? When we work with you at Everyday Empowerment Institute, we evaluate and diagnose the horse and talk about how we can get that horse to optimise its potential and be as fast as. The good thing about it is, with a horse, you can't change much. The horse is the horse. You can change its training, you can change its diet, but the horse, its capacity to run, is probably, there's a limit. But with your business, there's a whole range of things that can be changed to make it a better business. But also, we work with you as the jockey. You and your abilities to ride that horse and optimize that horse's potential. So when you want to maximize the potential of your horse, your vehicle to financial freedom, your vehicle to get past that finish post in the best possible position for freedom, for yourself and your family, and for you to take your skills and your ability to ride that horse as fast as possible, to get past that post as quickly as possible. That's what we do at Everyday Empowerment Institute. We don't just look at the horse, we work with the horse and the jockey. Want to find out more? Please come and do our Accelerator Empowerment Program, where we work with you on the 10 laws of acceleration for how to go faster, how to improve your skills, and how to have whole of person, whole of business transformation. It really is exciting. We'd love you to join us, and it's very affordable and incredible value. It's not just a workshop, it's in fact a transformation coaching journey. Come and try it. It's very low cost and it's very exciting. Click here, and thanks for listening. I'm Lee Farnell.